Let's go guys, Ichimoku technical analysis in only 3 minutes.
All right, let's look into Veracity, VRA. I'm looking into it. It has been a while since I didn't do that, but someone asked for it today on the Discord. So let's have a look. On a weekly time frame, what is interesting to see? We have this long trend line, which we finally saw thanks to the 11th of October when we had a ATH all-time high. We can see that now our lagging is going to test it. It's on it. It's above here, above it now today. But it's going to test it. And once we really clearly get away from it, then we know we have a proper bullish trend. But seeing this is already a good thing. Of course, we have now our candle that is way lower than this trend line. So it's going to take some time. You can see we are at 0.05 when our trend line should be at 0.06. So we are a bit away, but things are all right. Whatever, we have some other elements in the Ichimoku, and we see our Tenkan pointing and getting closer and closer to the candle. That's a good thing because it's going to create some support. We don't want to be too far away. However, our June is kind of far and getting flat, and when it's flat it usually attract our candle into it, but maybe because we have this Tenkan it won't do that, but we need to watch out. Of course, if we see this lagging also but breaking down here and getting away from it, then you see the lagging will have a lot of space to go bearish, so we need to be careful about that. Looking at the daily, you see things are flat. We see the Kumo here, it's getting flat, so it's not really the right time to enter. And you can see clearly the lagging is playing around our trend line here. This one is a short trend line. It's not even the big one, but that's a short trend line. So our lagging playing it. And at the same time, we are sitting on this Tenkan. Are we going to break it down or not? Today we got a long leg, but we need to see the body. So if we're breaking down, if we're going to go bearish, our body of the candle will break under it, and a new candle will start under this Tenkan. It's not happening yet. We are on a daily, so let's watch on a lower time frame. But remember here, flat Kijun. If we break down here, we have all the way down to here. So a bearish position down to 0.046. That is possible. That can happen. If we get away, have a proper candle closing above the previous one, and I would say even above this one, the one of the 19th, then okay, we can enter for a long position up to our trend line here, or at least the all-time ATH, all-time high here at 0.0670, and many numbers behind. So yeah, look at the 4 hours time frame and try to see what's going on. We have our lagging that is inside the cloud, as well as our candle. We have a bit of resistance just above here on a 4 hours time frame. Here it's flat, the SSA is flat, so a bit of creating some resistance at 0.0588. We are inside the cloud, so yeah, we can go all the way down or up. It happened yesterday. You see, we enter, we go all the way down to this SSA. So you see how precise is the Ichimoku. It's almost exactly on the SSA here. And this cloud was formed long ago. So imagine the potential of seeing your different stop loss or take profit thanks to Ichimoku. So now that we're inside, but we wait to see if we break under with the body of our candle under here, then yeah, we're going back again to the SSA. If we break above the SSB of our cloud, then okay, we're going above, but we have a resistance here. So I would even wait to break this one. Once we break this one on a 4 hours time frame, when I'm above here, then yeah, I can count on going into a bullish trend. And I would take first profit here at the all-time high of this period here on the 20th. So from yesterday at this here. And if I break above here, then I will look at now this trend line here. All right, so that's how we do. This video is already more than 3 minutes. Sorry for that. But at least you know what to expect. So look at the signals clearly. Go on a lower time frame and search for a clear signal. Through the element of the Ichimoku, when you break certain level on your element, That's when you can take a position, a short or a long position. All right, guys. See you soon on Discord and Twitter. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, let's subscribe to Starlight Crypt YouTube. Ichimoku Technical Analysis. Ichimoku the best. Ichimoku Starlight Crypt on YouTube. Subscribe.